read it. Hey.
When we first started out on Amazon, we knew we had a unique product that would stand out. But we also knew we had to make our product stand out from the crowd and be more effective. This tool is something that is only available if you've been approved as a brand owner through the Amazon brand registry process. If you've missed our video on brand registry, you might want to check it out. Using this tool, you can describe your product features in a different way by including a unique brand story, enhanced images and text, even video. Adding A+ content to your product details pages can help you achieve higher conversion rates, increase traffic, and increase sales when used effectively. The first part is enhanced product description. This gives more details on product features. Features like custom paragraph headers and images, unique images and text layouts, product comparison charts, bulleted feature lists. These all help customers to make buying decisions by proactively answering their questions. Secondly, brand content. These are things such as carousel displays with full screen background on desktop and mobile devices, image and text cards, link to other products and the brand store, the From the Brand section of Amazon detail page. This type of content educates customers about the history of the brand as well as its values and product lines. When creating our content, we focus on powerful imagery, simple messaging, and value-add information to enhance the customer's experience with our brand. Here's some tips on how we shoot our products and tell our story using A+ content. A+ content allows us the opportunity to really give the customers a deeper look at our whole brand, what we stand for, our ethos, why we do what we do, and the people behind the brand. Nailing the brand is really, really important because that is what differentiates you and gives you your DNA as a unique brand and product. And so having that set at the core of everything that you do makes decisions you make a lot easier as you grow and progress your brand and business. Making sure that your brand experience for the customer is consistent is definitely the key so that they can recognize your brand across different touch points. Even when it arrives at their doorstep, they need to be able to link back to their experience, engaging, learning about your brand and products. The brand was inspired and created by just myself and Nirali, my wife and co-founder of the business. The way we see Superfoodio is a natural extension of us as people. We're really proud and passionate about food and also ingredients, and we want to make sure that food is fun, accessible, and to be enjoyed by everyone. And we try and communicate that through our brand, through our packaging, through our ingredients, all the way through to the feeling that we want to get customers to have, which is just to have fun and enjoy eating good food. By creating and using A+ content, we've seen over 10% increase in sales and repeat visits to the brand.